My name is Ron. I'm a volume streams leader at BAE Systems, and I'm an Air Force veteran. What makes me most proud about the work we do here at BAE Systems is providing for our warfighters. You know, we all see the videos of the reunions, and I think if our product allows for one of those family reunions to happen, then we've done our job. The work we do at BAE Systems here in Louisville is very unique based off the complexity of the work, the tight tolerances that we have to have. You know, we talk about submarines, we talk about guns. We are the best at it, and we have a skilled workforce that is very knowledgeable. We have workers who have been here for over 40 years that allow us to be very successful. Being a veteran and being around people that have been deployed, my biggest motivation to come to work every day is the mission of BAE Systems. We protect those who protect us. Where pride meets precision.